This weekly crop review is brought to you by ASR Group, Belize Sugar Industries Limited.
For week 16 of the 2015-2016 sugarcane crop season, the factory milled 38,647 tons of cane. So far, for the 16 weeks of crop, the factory has milled a total of 730,715 tons of cane. That is 85,983 tons less than what was milled last year when the factory ground 816,698 tons of cane. Taking a look at sugar production, 4,278 tons of the sweetener was produced for week 16 and a total of 69,451 during the 16 weeks of crop. That figure continues to be much less than the 101,470 tons produced last year. For the 16th week of crop, the factory worked at a grinding rate of 5,521 tons cane per day and 6,524 tons cane per day for the 16 weeks of crop. Last crop, the grinding rate stood at 7,292 tons cane per day. The report on cane quality shows that for week 16, juice purity first expressed stood at 86.68%, 84.99% for the 16 weeks of crop, and 88.25% last year. For the 16th week of crop, it took 9.03 tons of cane to produce 1 ton of sugar. For the 16 weeks of crop, TCTS stands at 10.52. Last year, it stood at 8.05. As for the sugar extracted from the cane, 96.46% was recorded for this week, 95.79% for the 16 weeks of crop, and 95.30% last year during the same period. This week, factory time efficiency stood at 93.89%, 95.84% for the 16 weeks of crop, and 97.69% last crop. According to BSI ASR, cane quality continues to improve, resulting in a similar improvement in the TCTS ratio. Cañeros y cañeras, durante la zafra, las actividades de quema y cosecha deben ser planeadas bien con el objetivo de minimizar el tiempo de quema a entrega para asegurar la entrega de caña fresca y de calidad al ingenio. Cañeros, recuerden que a partir de las 24 horas la caña quemada comienza a deteriorarse, resultando en una pérdida importante de azúcar.
This weekly crop review was brought to you by ASR Group, Belize Sugar Industries Limited.